you see the truth of this revealed. That death could not overcome the Christ. Death could not overcome the love of God. Death could not overcome Christ in human flesh even after he died. Because here he rises from the grave. His own death has conquered death. Here he rises from the grave and Jesus declares, nobody raises me, I raise myself because I am the creator. I am the all-powerful one. I am the one who has the power over death. And so the blowing away of the door and the coming out of the tomb and the presenting himself to the women and then the disciples and then other folks that we hear about, say, in the epistles of Paul, 500 of them at one time. This is all about that clear evidence now. Not just the words, but the reality itself. The reality found in the body of Christ. The reality found in the wounds of Christ, in his hands, in his side, in his feet. That Jesus is not dead, but he is risen.